Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom progress bar in Notion using formulas. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open and go to your database like tasks, goals, or projects and make sure you have a number property for progress, for example, completed percentage or tasks done. So now you're going to click on add property over here and then you're going to search for formula, click on it, and now you're going to type in the formula that you wish to use. So you can click on edit formula. And over here, you can type a formula like this that is basically for the visual bar based on 0 to 100 progress value. So now once you have done that, you can simply go back and you can also edit the formula further if you want to do so. And you'll be able to see a display percentage such as your progress along with the percentage. So now your Notion database will show a dynamic progress bar that updates automatically when you change the value. But you need to keep in mind that you need to have a number property for the progress to work properly. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.